Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in conversion rate optimization, we'll discuss about persuasive copywriting skills. Copywriting we actually know is actually the content that exists on the website and the landing pages. But what precisely in the first place persuasive copywriting is all about and how persuasive copywriting helps in improving your conversion rate optimization. Let's look into it. What precisely in the first place persuasive writing is all about? Persuasive writing is a skill wherein the writer uses influencing words to persuade the reader to agree and take an action. More often than not, when the anonymous visitors who come to the website or the landing pages, the traffic that comes to a landing page or a website, they do not actually have a fixed frame of mind whether to buy it or not. They could be in a dilemma whether to go for it or not, whether to register for it or not, whether to buy anything or not, whether to get engaged with you or not. These are the key points when these are the few things that the user has in their minds, what the visitors have in their minds when they come to a landing page or when they come to a website or whether you interact with them on social media platforms. What precisely writing, persuasive writing is all about is you are actually using and influencing words to influence the minds of the visitors, to influence the minds of the traffic, and you actually influence to such an extent that they agree and take an action what you actually want them to take an action. It could be registering on a website, it could be lead generation, it could be buying a particular product. These are actually the factors that actually influence the visitors who come to your website. When you use influencing words, that is actually you are persuading with the words that you write on the website, on the landing pages, and because of those words which are actually being used by you, they agree and take an action. And this is precisely what influencing writing is what is concerned, and this is precisely what persuasive writing skills are all about. How to write persuasive copy? The most important point. We know what is persuasive writing, but how do you actually write persuasive writing? How do you write persuasive content on the website and the landing pages? Persuasion basically creates a win-win situation. It could be a win-win situation both for you as well as for the traffic that is coming to your website, and to convert the traffic into lead and leads into the customers, and it creates a win-win situation both for you as well as for the customers. Persuasive writing is an art of creating an argument and back with a clear evidence and example. The most important point, the critical point in persuasive writing is you are actually not persuading anybody precisely per se to buy something. What you are doing instead is you are creating an argument so that an argument is created and a debate is going on. When the argument is created, you back that argument with clear evidence and example. You create an argument and tell them that this is the product, that this product offers this, but there are other products that are available in the market, but why my product is better, and you give evidence of the argument that you have created, and you give an example of how that particular product is working for you and it will work for you. And these are the most important points that you need to remember. Create an argument, back that with clear example and evidence, and that is actually how persuasive writing works. Grab users' attention by raising a concern, questions, and offer a solution based on the answers. When you know the targeted customer that you have, that you are intending, the traffic that is coming to your website, that is actually the targeted customer that you are getting the traffic. And when you know the targeted customer, you know also what precisely are their concerns, their issues, their challenges. You raise those concerns, the issues, the challenges, and offer a solution that gels with their requirements, that is centric to the customer's requirement. And this is how actually you build your case in driving users and by influencing the users writing persuasive writing. Offer evidence, case study, and testimonials. When you write persuasive writing on your landing page and website, that actually is not everything. You need to back with clear evidence. This is the evidence that we were talking about, the evidence and the example. What is the evidence and the example that you are talking about? The evidence and the example are the case studies and the testimonials. You need to tell people that it is not just you are talking about your product, you are talking about your benefits and the features of your product. It is the others who are talking about the benefits and features of your product. And who are the others? They are the past customers, your past performance, your testimonials. And these testimonials actually work in building a case that clearly provides you them the evidence and the example why this product is the best product, so that they can buy it. Be genuine and provide a compelling reason why actually they need to buy a product. But when you are giving a testimonial, you are giving a compelling reason. Be genuine and do not hype. Do not hype, never hard sell on a landing page or on a website. That will never work. When you are using persuasive skills, never hard sell. And be genuine, do not hype. When you write persuasive writing on your landing page on a website, make sure that you do not hype it. Keep it genuine, keep it simple, keep it rooted to the ground, and make promises that you can deliver. Address concerns and offer the right solutions. Interaction, communication and engagement with the visitors, with the traffic is extremely important, whether you do it on the website, whether you do it on the landing page or on a social media platform. Make sure that you listen to the customers, you address those concerns and provide the right fit solution that benefit them. At the end of the day, it is not just about making a sale and closing the deal. The product that you are selling is actually working for the customers. As long as they're working for the customers, you are actually they'll spread the word of mouth, and your product will actually get very good conversions when you go on. Persuasive writing skills. What are the tips that you can incorporate in your persuasive writing? Introductory paragraph, state the argument. The most important point, as we discussed in the previous slide, state the argument. Put across an argument and back that argument with the clear examples and evidences why this product is very good in solving a problem of a particular customer. Give reasons for and against. When you create an argument, give reasons for the argument and against the argument, and provide an answer to both for and against, and persuade the user, persuade the visitor to take a decision. Words, in my opinion, therefore, moreover, for this reason, surely, I am sure, it is certain. These words actually work. The more you use these kind of words, the better. I am certain because of the reason that so and so company is using my product. However, that product actually they were using another product and they took my product, and this product actually working. It grew their business to such an extent that they are making a lot of profit, and this is the testimonial. You raise an argument, you answer that argument, you provide example, and you provide evidence, and that is how actually persuasive writing skills work. Evidence, explain why your product is right with facts. The facts are the sales that you have done in the past performance, and those are the facts. Back your argument with a fact by giving them the clear evidence. Backed by case studies and testimonials, they actually work in driving your conversion rate, taking the conversion rate to a different level. Make sure that you provide testimonials and the case studies to make sure that your product increases its conversion rate. Ask questions to get reader thinking. The more the questions that you ask to the readers, the better. It actually engages with your readers. It actually engages with your anonymous visitors. It actually engages with your traffic that is coming to your website. Ask question, give an answer, and back that answer with clear evidence and examples. End with a conclusive statement. End with a don't do an abrupt ending. Abrupt ending will never work. End with a conclusive statement, giving a summarized version of the entire copy that you have written, either on the website or on the landing page, and after that end with a compelling call to action. Concluding statement and a compelling action that actually makes sure that you are persuading your visitor to take an action. And these are the few tips that you can think of implementing in your persuasive writing. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is what is persuasive writing, how to write a persuasive copy, and what are the persuasive writing tips that you can think of using and incorporating. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.